See, spiritual defectors are an integral part of the story of Christianity, both past and present. They are in your life and mine, just as they were in Jesus' life. They shouldn't surprise you, defeat you, disappoint you, or cause you to despair. Jesus' insight on spiritual defectors in John chapter 6 and the reaction to his teaching about the issue gives us one of the most compelling and enlightening stories of his ministry. Number 1 is the roar of the crowd. Read verse 2. A large crowd, John chapter 6, verse 2. A large crowd followed him because they saw what? Signs which he was performing on those who were sick. Sounds familiar? People defect from the gospel because they were drawn into it initially for the wrong reasons. The excitement of crowd, not the meaning of the message, lose them and at first. A living crowd, a production value of a worship service, emphasizing showmanship rather than scripture. Modern day seekers. You will see now large churches. What are the commonality among these large churches? Good preachers. What else? Many crowds. That's why they joined them. Ministering in Galilee for many months, Jesus Christ. His healing and deliverance from demon and even death brought him the popularity. See, the crowd has grown larger and larger. Jesus was the event of the lifetime, and his popularity has drawn massive mobs. TV ratings would have been to the roof. However, popularity didn't help when he was popular. He attracted the most shallow fan-seekers. Genuine disciples were drawn not by showbiz, but by the truth, the power, and the character of his message. Christian life, the actions, and the excitement of a crowd captivate people. They gather in a short sports stadium or large auditorium or church to be a part of a big event. There seems to be an energy, but many of the participants are there for the crowd. The crowd, not the crown. Do you understand that? The crowd, but not the crown. Looking for some miraculous intervention on their behalf, or the promise of something they can cash in, or just a good show. This is typical of defectors. They look at Jesus as the one who's going to solve their daily dilemmas, fix their lives, meet their needs and desires, and make them rich. Try to sell the gospel on this basis, and people will come to you for all the wrong reasons. This is a heart, wealth, prosperity, and wealthy gospel. They want the gospel to work for their own selfish desires. Jesus said, "Thy kingdom is not of this world." Thy kingdom is not of this world. People are only concerned with earthly things.